Gemini 3284 can indicate that your material life is changing in positive ways, with a significant increase to your prosperity and abundance. If you have an inkling or idea that you would like to put into practice, now would be a most auspicious time to look into your options and take positive action, as opportunities for you to fully utilize your talents are awaiting you. Have the confidence and self-belief that you have all the necessary characteristics and talents to achieve all that you put your heart and mind towards. Like, share, and subscribe for more angel numbers.